Jaime Garcatorena is a Filipino celebrity turned businessman, born on June 12, 1968. He's known for his captivating looks and charming personality, which led him to become a popular crush in the 90s. Jaime's family background is quite impressive. His father, Francis Garcatorena, was a presiding judge of Sandigan Bayan, and his mother, Victoria Garcatorena, was a senior government official and executive of Ayala Corporation. He's also a descendant of Mariano Garcatorena, a Filipino politician of Spanish-French descent who served as governor of Camarines Sur and Secretary of Agriculture and Natural Resources. Jaime started his showbiz career as a model, landing endorsement deals with international brands like Puma and Adin. Jaime, a master's in entrepreneurship from the Asian Institute of Management, transitioned into corporate leadership roles. He currently serves as Managing Director for Commerce and Payments at UBX Philippines, focusing on open finance initiatives. He previously served as President and CEO of Credit Information Corporation.
Yung housekeeper siguro, tama yung housekeeper. Alam mo, ilang beses na akong ginaganyan. Binibigyan ako...
Edwin,
Oh,
ito nga pala yung kapatid ko, si Janjan.
hi Janjan.
Kung ibato ko yung bato sa bunganga.
Eleng, kung wala kami, wala...
O, anong ginagawa niyo sa kanya? Inaapi ka ba?
Babos, hindi.
O, sige, doon na kayo. Sige na. Don't worry, Cora. You'll be my special guest tonight.
Kuya ka na nagbakasyon habang buhay. Gusto niyang labas ng labas para mag-display lang.
Ganda niyang baril mo ah.
Ay, personal niya, Nino. Ibibigay ko na sa inyo.
Lahat. Naipasok ng maayos ang mga epekto sa Batangas. Na i-deliver na ang mga order ng mga baril sa Cebu. And there are 9 Taiwanese millionaires na nagpuslit sa baybayin ng La Union.
Oh,
Hoy!
100.
May pera ako ang haharabat! Saan ako?
Bilangin mo.
Kasi medyo loaded yung schedule ko ngayon. At ito naman si Tess. Nakita